So I'm doing a oil change. I had a man filter. I actually added some diesel to clean the engine out. I had the new oil pump replaced and the chain, O-ring gasket for the pickup too. While driving, the oil light was keep coming on randomly. So about the new sensor. It's 24 millimeter socket. We'll take it off from Napa. Thank you, Napa. It's like 10 bucks, roughly 12 bucks. Made in China. So gotta remove this trim out, that plastic trim. You kind of have to with both hands. Sensor is, here's a plug for it, and it's tucked in. I don't know if I can see it. Let's see if I can zoom into it. Right there, that's the sensor. So right here, I'm touching it. That's the end of it. So just move the harness out of the way. Some hoses. Take the clamp off. Move this so you can put the socket in. So you can get to it. It is a little bit tricky to get to it. Once I get that replaced, I'll show you what else I have to do. So here's the old one. New Napa filter. And I still have it unplugged. Let's see if I can plug it in with one hand. Yeah, so I'll get this plugged in, put new filter on. $5W30, Costco. They have a pretty good deal. You usually get 2 of these jugs for 36 bucks plus tax. On sale they're $30 for 2 jugs, and I think it's a pretty good deal. So I had to pull it out. That's the new one. Apparently that tab is not as big as this one. So the problem is it's there, but it won't latch. So I don't know. Tried multiple ways. Tab is all there. My other thinking is, since this is shorter, seems a lot longer, but the tab looks about the same. Maybe take a grinder, like a sand disc, just shave this off just a hair, and I think that should make it a bit shorter. So I don't know if that's a defect or it's how they've been manufactured. It looks like I crushed the O-ring. So I'm gonna try that. So I shaved off enough, and that looks like it clipped right in, but it's hard to break it loose. Let's see if I can get this. Just break that off. And the way you get inside off I use this flat screwdriver. See if I can get a good video for you guys. Just use a flat screwdriver, break some of the excess plastic. So that is a lot compared to the original one. Let's see here. Test it first, make sure it actually fits, and make sure I'm able to unclip it. Okay. Right there. So clipped in, and I'm able to separate it. Push that in. It's still very tight, so well, it won't separate. So what I have to do is use a flat screwdriver here. Right there. Flat screwdriver. What you do is tap with a flat screwdriver right here. Just push that up if you can't do it by hand. So if I plug this in, this will actually be tight to remove, which is unfortunate, but well, I guess that's all I have for now. Well, unfortunately, I'm still working on this, and I had to drive down to O'Reilly, get a different sensor. So I'm assuming the Napa one was wrong. I shaved it down, and I guess it won't clip properly. So that's the original one, and this is the new one. So I had the filter installed. Apparently that's the wrong filter. It's from another car that I have. It's actually a pretty nice filter. So drain plug is in. Just got to install temperature sensor. Oil pressure sensor. My bad. I do have a temperature sensor that I would like to replace too. And that should be, once I add some oil, should be ready for test drive. Okay, the oil's in. Check the oil level. So this oil, pretty dark. It does have break-in oil in it, and it's a little bit less than 1,000 miles on it. So check the level. See, see how much more I have to add. I think I added about 4 quarts. Nothing, so I think it takes probably 5 quarts, maybe the rest. Yeah, so I added about 4 quarts. So I've been test driving it for a few days already, and the oil pressure did not come on, so which I think we're doing pretty good. So I think that was it. We've had oil switch, oil pressure switch. In most cases, I think that's the easiest fix. But since I already have brand new oil pump in there, I knew the oil pump was not the case. So, alright, thank you for watching.